You gotta hold it out so you can get to it.
You gonna give a treat to the bird?
Say, Perry bird, do you like treats? Oop. Gotta hold it out there. Oop. Gotta hold it out there so you can get it. That's good. Just like that. Yeah.
Oh, yay!
What a sweet bird.
You can see her face.
He's eating his seed. Oh. He fell down there. He was interested in getting a bath. He said it's been a while since I've been in here. We've changed it. He used to come in here all the time.
He says, Dad, leave me alone.
Isn't that a cool bird?
This perspective, he almost licks his mouth. It's actually pretty. Is that a giant bird?
You hear him talking?
The bird.
Yeah, the bird, that's right.
She was even doing the bird sign, wasn't she? It's a
The
bird?
bird.
Yes, the bird. Good girl. Okay, are we ready to go back, Perry? Do you need to go back in the cage? Walter sounds like he misses you. Those aren't good to land on.
No, they aren't good to land on.
Were those hot, baby bird? Alright, come here. Give me a baby bird. Yes, it's okay. We'll go back to Walter, huh?
Evie, say bye-bye, Perry.
Bye-bye.
Good girl.